Understanding Solo Exhibition, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, solo exhibition. This is a common term in the art world, but it can be a bit confusing for those learning English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means. Solo exhibition refers to an event where an artist displays their works alone, without other artists contributing. It's a showcase solely dedicated to one artist's creations. This term is often used in galleries and museums, where an individual artist gets the opportunity to exhibit their art to the public. Solo exhibitions are significant for artists because they offer a unique opportunity to present their vision and style comprehensively. It's a moment for artists to gain recognition, interact with the audience, and possibly sell their work. For the audience, it's a chance to deeply understand an artist's perspective. When talking about art, you might say, "I attended a solo exhibition last weekend." It implies you visited an exhibition where only one artist's work was on display. You can also use it in a sentence like, "The gallery is hosting a solo exhibition for a local painter next month." Sometimes, you might hear variations like, individual exhibition, or one-person show. These phrases mean the same thing and are often used interchangeably with solo exhibition. And that's a wrap on solo exhibition. We hope this video has helped clarify what a solo exhibition is and how you can use this term in your conversations about art. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding these little nuances. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent in no time. See you in the next video.